So a bit of an update on the tower garden. Got some seedlings in rock wool cells, and I've put these little stainless steel screws through, and it's holding the cells in place. So I've got some liquid hydroponic fertilizer in there, and yeah, it seems to be going quite well. Just got it outside in like an undercover area, but it's super bright, so I don't think any UV issues, lack of UV is going to be a problem. Just got some, going to trial some watermelon on the bottom here. We've got some basil and some different salad greens towards the top. I'm not sure how the watermelon's going to go at the bottom, but you know, we'll see how it goes. It might be okay, it might not, but easy to pull out. So just a quick update, and yeah, I think it's going to work really well. So one thing I am going to do, got this set on a timer, and it's nice and dry where the plug is, even though we're outdoors, never ever gets wet. And going to set it on 15-minute intervals, 15 minutes per hour during daylight hours, and we'll just see how it goes from there.